Thank you for driving me to work.
You know this is my day off, Sheldon.
Oh, good. I'm not keeping you from anything. Your check engine light is on.
Mm-hmm.
Typically, that's an indicator to, check your engine.
It's fine. It's been on for like a month.
Well, actually, that would be all the more reason to, check your engine.
Sheldon, it's fine.
If it were fine, the light wouldn't be on. That's why the manufacturer installed that light, to let you know it's not fine.
I don't know. Maybe the light's broken.
Is there a check engine light? Oh,